Hey everybody, I'm here with my friend Don and I'm asking that question, what is it that payments experts want to know when it comes to faster payments?
When it comes to faster
payments.
When it comes to faster payments, I think the biggest thing is user adoption and how to push that user adoption down to the consumer across all platforms.
That's a really good question. How do we get the users to use it and how do we get it to the users? Everybody, here we are asking the question now.
Well, I think that what's important to me is regulations and regulatory compliance of financial institutions. How do they best comply and make sure that data is safe?
Hey everybody, I'm here with my friend Shoaib, and I'm asking him the same question I've been asking everybody. As a payments expert, what is the one question you want answered when it comes to faster payments? What would you like to know right now?
Kevin, I would like to know how fast when I send money will be available to my friend.
Like if you send money to somebody else that you own for, like, say you're part of the check, when will they see it? When will it appear in their account?
Yes.
Hey everybody, I'm here with my friend Attila. He's a payments expert, good friend too, and I gotta say, I'm going around asking the question.
What keeps me up at night is really how much collaboration is gonna happen in between all these entities that are spitting out faster payment in models, new models, be that Zelle, be that RTP, the debit push network, the same day ACH. How much collaboration is gonna happen in between banks and the fintechs to drive this a lot more aggressively than we're already doing it?
So basically, we know faster payments are coming, and you're saying, are we gonna work together to make sure that faster payments happen?
That's exactly, for the benefit of the country and our financial industry to begin with, we have to set aside old legacy mentality and think out loud, think outside of the box, if you will, in order to get that market reach where everybody wants to get with either one of these faster payments.
I like that. Get out of the legacy mentality. Fred, as a payments professional and all this stuff that's happening with faster payments, what's the one question you wish you could have answered right now when it comes to faster payments?
Boy, that's an interesting question to say the least, because I've got a whole bunch of questions that I'd really like to have answered. Name of the game is that why in the world should my member financial institutions, many of them smaller organizations, jump into this in the short term? It's going to cost them a lot of money. We don't even know what it's going to cost. There's just so many unanswered questions about how getting into truly real-time faster payments is going to work, that it's just hard to get our members engaged and excited about this. They've got a lot of other things that they're worried about.
So you're really saying the smaller institution, what's in it for me? Why should I even do this?
What's in it for me? Yep. My customers are not knocking the door down. They're not jumping in saying, oh boy, I need this right now. And so they don't see a big push right now to get into the faster payment space, and yet they're hearing about it and they're going, what in the world? What's the big deal? Why do I got to worry about this now?
Hey everybody, I'm here with my friend Rob, and I'm asking the question that I'm asking all the payments experts today.
Well, Kevin, what I would like to have answered about faster payments is, how does it all come together? There's so many choices. How do I make sense of everything?
Oh, that's a great question. There's so many options out there. What do we do to put it all together into one? Asking payments experts, what's the one question you want answered when it comes to faster payments? Mary?
When does everybody need faster payments? Do you need it by 2020 or do you need it by 2025? What's the timeline that's critical for faster payments?
Hey everybody, I'm here with my friend Leonardo. Now, Leonardo is actually from Brazil, so he's more of an international faster payments expert, we could say. And Leonardo, I'm going around, I'm asking people, as payments experts, what's the question you have when it comes to faster payments you would like to have answered?
Well, my primary question is, what really is faster payments for each kind of customer? For example, what is a faster payment for a real big multinational company? What's a faster payment for an e-commerce company? What's a faster payment for a father that needs to send money to his son that needs to pay a cocktail during the night? So what's the real needs of the customer? This is the primary question that I have to know. First of all, this is the question. After that, we need to teach the customers the kind of payments they need to do. Or not that, the banks must just ask the customers, oh, you need to pay this kind of thing? Okay, I will turn the method to you. So you don't need to brainstorm what kind of payments we are doing, if it's ACH or if it's wire or other else kind of transaction. Maybe that.
Well, I like that, because what a lot of people sit there and say is, you know, we're trying to define just what's a faster payment, but you're taking it to another level. You're saying at what level, for who, the individual or the business, the corporation, the government, at what level, the scalability, does it then determine, is it a faster payment and what's it mean to them, right?
Yeah, that's it.
So we've been asking everybody what is the question that they want answered when it comes to faster payments, you know, and I've asked payments professionals from banks, from credit unions, from software providers, from regional associations, from national associations, even got a couple internationals thrown in there, and it's really interesting to see what it is that they're thinking, what they want answered. Now here's the next challenge. What question would you like the payments professor to address? Out of all those you saw, what's the one question that you would like to have the payments professor address and get answered for you? I will definitely do my best to get what I can out to you and get it out to you as soon as possible. I'd also appreciate if you would let me know what additional questions you have when it comes to the world of faster payments. And I'll be attending a lot of conferences this year. If there's a question that you would like to have presented to other payments professionals in the industry and have answered for you, please let me know in those comments down below. Thank y'all for attending this video session and learning a little bit more about what is it that faster payments professionals want to know about faster payments. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in future sessions. Have a great day.